Meet Moov, your personal fitness coach that speaks to you while you work out.
Welcome to day 5 of your training.
Moov tracks your form in 3D space, syncing wirelessly to your smartphone. And it even keeps track while you're away from your device. Whether you're in the pool or on the road, Moov encourages you to make it to the top.
This is your toughest hill so far. You can do it.
Moov minimizes the chance of injury
Your impact is too high. Land softer.
and corrects your form.
Lengthen your stride. Good job.
Moov is waterproof and detects your precise motion for every single stroke, turn, and break. Moov keeps track of the data while you focus on your swim. And whatever your fitness goals are, Moov pushes you past your plateau
1, 2, come on, one more.
and teaches you new techniques to help you perform better.
Now switch your gear.
With Moov, you can conquer the road. Moov is with you during every movement of every day and night. You compete and connect across all sports and improve your performance step by step. Moov, your personal fitness coach.